Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make spinach egg soup. Hope you like it. Spinach is a nutritious, leafy green. This vegetable has been shown to benefit health in several ways. Spinach may decrease oxidative stress, improve eye health, and help prevent heart disease and cancer. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: spinach, eggs, anchovies, ginger. Chopped ginger. Spinach, wash and remove root and cut into section. Let's fried egg. Stir-fry chopped ginger and anchovies until fragrant. Add cooking oil if it's too dry. Add a bowl of hot water once it has released fragrant. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chicken powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder. Once boiled, add spinach and cook until wilted. Pour soup into soup bowl. Spinach egg soup is cooked. It's so easy. This soup tastes so good and it's full of nutrition. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. Is it good to eat spinach every day? Eating spinach daily can support your health since it contains vitamins C and K, folate, iron, and magnesium. However, it's more important to eat a balanced diet that includes a variety of vegetables to help ensure you're consuming a wide range of nutrients. What organ is spinach good for? The high potassium levels in spinach, 2/3 of a cup has close to 600 milligrams, relaxes blood vessels and lowers blood pressure. Potassium also helps your kidneys get rid of extra sodium. Says Cobb, high blood pressure and excess sodium can lead to heart disease, stroke, and kidney damage. Can we eat spinach at night? Spinach is high in magnesium, which naturally relaxes the nerves and muscles, thereby calming the body and encouraging sleep. Magnesium can also help prevent leg cramps, a common cause of nighttime waking. What to avoid with spinach? Bad combo number 2, spinach and dairy products. If you're on a vegetarian diet, or are a menopausal woman, or just want to make sure you're absorbing calcium well, you'll want to avoid mixing dairy with oxalate-dense foods like spinach, beets, collards, leeks, and parsley. What medication can you not eat spinach with? Leafy greens and warfarin. Among the most well-known food-drug interactions is the anticoagulant warfarin, brand names Jantoven and Coumadin, and foods containing vitamin K, such as broccoli, cabbage, kale, spinach, Swiss chard, seaweed, and other leafy greens. Certain vegetable oils also contain large amounts of K. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.